Yeah, I just wanted to cover this one question I saw here when I saw the drawing here. So it said 369 question mark, and I talked to you about that in the email. I also just wanted to say hold on, if I could bring this up, this here. So then if you have the idea of the senses, the 1 through 5, then offering you the present or the presented observation into the mind's eye, the reflection. If it's a fallen idea, just like a true idea, it is still brought within the temple, right? And then if it's idolized and it's a lie, it's just idle time, or it's wasted time, all right? And then understand then that outside of that place, that contained, spiritual cell, which is death, if you're living within the world of the nine or the news or the lie. All this other area is left unexplored. All right. So then when you see or hear the 369, I showed you the code of creation here, which is everything, which goes down to this, basically. Let me show you that. It's from the state of contentment into thought, into ideas, into inputs and outputs. So if those inputs and outputs are truth, everything follows naturally. It's perfect, because it is not your creation. It is creation. Therefore, just the observation, the word logically follows. However, if it's a lie, you see then within the code that all of those connections have to be made. That's why when you're given a story, it's presented to you as the presented idea, the 6, the 33, the idea of the 13, bringing you into the door. It then follows that same logical so-called loop, because the ring starts at the 3, 6, 9. All right. So then at any point, if that's broken, if something you say, no, that's not right, then the next time that loop is going around, because you're within the thought now, it just falls out of your mind. You'll not forget that, and then you're off to other things. You see how, and then that's just turned off, and then you're off to something else. All right. So then because this is not complicated, actually. This is the idea of that from nothing something. That thought, is it truth? Retain it. If it's a lie, dismiss it as soon as possible. How then does that break down? So then you break that up into the 3. 1, 2, 3. Remember, this is the idea of the mind. So this is outside. All right. So then it's the idea of bringing thoughts into the temple. That's the